Today I'm going to show you how you can add numeric input field questions to reports. You can visualize the data collected by input field questions with reports. Text, numeric, email, and custom formats will be visualized as open answer charts. Numeric input field questions can be visualized as vertical bars. However, it requires working with report variables. To better illustrate this, we'll use an example. Let's say that we've asked respondents to provide their age and we would like to break these numerical inputs into age brackets. For example, group the submitted ages into different age categories. For this example, we're going to create different age brackets from 20 to 29, from 30 to 39, and so on. We have to start by creating a new variable view. For this, we go into a report and select Settings on the side menu, and then we choose Variables. Then we click on the numeric input field question and select Add Variable Version right here. The variable would take on the name of the version number. However, you can edit the variable name here and name it something you can easily identify. Then we click on Categories to define the content of the variable. In other words, we're going to outline the values we're going to report on. Then we click on the Add icon to start defining our categories. And now we have 6 options to define our data criteria, and we can add as many as we want. For example, to add the age bracket 20 to 29, the category would look like this. Choose from 2, from 20 to 29. When we've defined our category, we click Next. Then we can name our category. We're going to name it 20 to 29. And then we click Save. The category name is a label that will show in our frequency charts. For this example, this category would be called 20 to 29. We click Save. And then we can repeat those steps to create all the categories we need. Now that we've created our variable view, we can add charts based on it. Therefore, we click Content on the side menu and choose the Add Report Element icon. Then we select Frequency, and then we select the variables for our chart. Choose What's Your Age? We choose Add. Then we can see that our report here is created with the different variable versions we created: 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49.